Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Listen, if the news source where you get your news from does not explain tariffs the way I'm about to do in this video, you are being lied to. You're here because you are interested in networking. You're here because you are trying to be an entrepreneur, or you already are one and you're trying to learn how to scale and more about being an entrepreneur, right? So a few weeks ago, I was doing a book promotion for a new book that I wrote at an elementary school, and some of the kids were asking my take on tariffs. Obviously, they're getting all this input, right, from their parents and teachers and different social media sources. So I decided to put something together. Here's a little story about a character I created named Overton. Overton is a PS5, PlayStation 5 console, gaming console. Okay, I wanted to make it something that kids can understand, but it's applicable to you guys too as adults. Subscribe to the channel, share the channel. Let's get into it. Cue Overton. Hi, my name is Overton, and I'm a PS5. Right now, I'm traveling across the ocean in a little boat all by myself. These waves are so scary, and I'm a little sad because I know the kid who wants me is going to have to pay more than they should. You see, a tariff was added before I left. Do you know what a tariff is? A tariff is like a money fee or a tax that one country makes someone pay when they bring in things from another country. So when I was packed up to leave, the American government said, "You have to pay extra to bring Overton in." That extra money doesn't go to me or to the toy store. It's just a bad fee on you and your parents. And now the store will charge more money so they don't lose any. That makes me feel bad because I don't want to be too expensive for the kid who's been saving up. Some people think tariffs are helpful, but they usually make stuff from other countries cost more. Before the tariffs, I was learning about the different games and excited to go to America. Sometimes people don't realize that when countries fight, kids and families end up paying more for stuff they love. And we consoles, we love to be played. Sitting on a shelf too long gives us something called CDS. That's console disuse syndrome. It makes us feel old and dusty, even when we're brand new. We were made to be powered on, explored, and loved. Yay! So, if you ever hear the word tariff, now you know it's like a fee that can make stuff cost more. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel, share my content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.